This is APW12 power supply. First, we connect the data cable, this small one cable, to the power supply, and then this power cable to here. And please note, outside is the positive, inside is the negative. Collect this all, and then we connect the power supply to the Hahsboard. Outside is the positive, inside is the negative, and then we will power on the power supply. And then start the tester. When the tester shows test model, repair model, we connect the data cable to the Hahsboard. After test, we need to remove this data cable first, and then remove this power cable.